English A1. Talking about your pet. Lesson by Babel Booster's YouTube channel.
Hi, Dan. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small cat.
Oh, nice. What is its name?
Her name is Mimi.
That is a cute name.
Thank you. She is very sweet.
Is Mimi old?
No, she is young.
What color is she?
She is white and grey.
I like cats.
Me too. She likes to sleep a lot.
My dog sleeps a lot too.
Dogs are funny.
Yes, they are.
Mimi likes milk.
Does she like fish too?
Yes, she loves fish.
My dog loves meat.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Max is a good name.
He is very friendly.
Does Max bark a lot?
Yes, he does.
Mimi meows softly.
That sounds nice.
She also likes to play with string.
Max likes balls.
Pets like to play.
Yes, they do.
Do you feed Max every day?
Yes, I feed him every morning.
I feed Mimi in the evening.
Do you give her water too?
Yes, of course.
Pets need water.
Yes, they do.
Do you take Mimi to the vet?
Yes, once a year.
Max goes to the vet too.
Is he scared?
A little, yes.
Mimi is scared too.
Does she hide?
Yes, she hides under the table.
Max hides behind me.
That is funny.
Pets can be shy.
Yes, sometimes.
Do you brush Mimi?
Yes, I brush her every week.
I brush Max too.
Does he like it?
Not always.
Mimi likes brushing.
Lucky cat.
She looks very clean.
Max gets dirty fast.
My cat is clean too.
Do you clean the cat box?
Yes, I do.
That is not fun.
No, it is not.
But pets need care.
Yes, they do.
Do you play with Mimi after school?
Yes, I do.
I play with Max after work.
What do you play?
We play catch.
That sounds fun.
Max runs very fast.
Mimi runs fast too.
Really?
Yes, when she wants food.
Haha, that is true for Max too.
Pets are smart.
Yes, they learn fast.
Max knows some tricks.
Yes, he can sit and stay.
Mimi cannot do tricks.
That is okay.
She is good at sleeping.
Max is good at that too.
Do you talk to Max?
Yes, I talk to him every day.
I talk to Mimi too.
Do you think she understands?
Maybe a little.
I think Max understands me.
Pets are like family.
Yes, they are.
I feel happy with Mimi.
Me too, with Max.
Do you want another pet?
Maybe one day.
I want a dog too.
Dogs are a lot of work.
Yes, but they are loving.
That is true.
Cats are loving too.
Yes, when they want to be.
Haha, that is funny.
Do you ever take Mimi outside?
Only in a small bag.
Max goes outside every day.
He must be happy.
He is very happy.
Mimi likes the window.
She watches birds.
Yes, every morning.
Max watches birds too.
Does he chase them?
Yes, but he never gets them.
Mimi never chases birds.
She is calm.
Very calm.
Do you have pet toys?
Yes, a ball and a mouse toy.
Max has many toys.
Lucky Max.
He destroys some toys.
Mimi is gentle with toys.
That is nice.
Do pets make you laugh?
Yes, every day.
Mimi does funny things.
Max too.
What is the funnest thing Max does?
He turns in circles before sleep.
Oh, Mimi does that too.
Really?
Yes, sometimes on my bed.
That is adorable.
I know.
Do you sleep with Mimi?
Sometimes she sleeps near me.
Max sleeps at my feet.
That feels safe.
Yes, it does.
Do you take photos of Mimi?
Yes, many photos.
I take photos of Max too.
Cats are good photo models.
Yes, if they stay still.
That is the hard part.
Very hard.
Did Max ever run away?
Mimi once hid for 2 hours.
Oh no. Was she okay?
Yes, she was under the sofa.
Max did that once too.
Pets can scare us.
Yes, but we still love them.
Always.
Do you buy treats for Mimi?
Yes, she loves treats.
Max loves treats too.
He probably waits for them.
Every time.
Mimi comes when I shake the bag.
Max does that too.
Pets are very clever.
They are.
Do you ever feel lonely without Max?
Yes, when I travel.
I feel that too.
Then I miss him a lot.
I miss Mimi when I am away.
Pets can make home feel warm.
Yes, they can.
Do you think cats know love?
Yes, I think they do.
I think Max knows mine.
Mimi knows mine too.
That is nice to hear.
It is.
What do you do when Mimi is sick?
I take her to the vet.
That feels scary.
Yes, I worry a lot.
I worry too with Max.
But the vet helps.
Yes, that is true.
Do you keep Max inside at night?
Yes, he sleeps inside.
Mimi never goes out at night.
Good idea.
It is safer.
Do you ever sing to Mimi?
Sometimes, yes.
Haha, I talk to Max in a silly voice.
I do that too.
House, do not judge us.
That is the best part.
Show.
Do you think pests change people?
Yes, they make us kinder.
I agree.
And more patient.
Yes, very patient.
Max taught me that.
Mimi taught me to slow down.
That is a good lesson.
Yes, it is.
Would you ever get a second pet?
Maybe, but one pet is enough now.
I think 2 dogs would be too much for me.
Haha, maybe.
Mimi sounds calm.
She is calm, but also very curious.
Max is curious too.
Does he open boxes?
Yes, he tries.
Mimi opens small bags.
Oh, smart cat.
Too smart sometimes.
That sounds like Max.
Pets keep life interesting.
Yes, they do.
I love coming home to Mimi.
I love coming home to Max.
They make the day better.
Yes, every day.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.